Welcome to my AI lab colony, where we make AI beat all games. Every single game that there is to beat. We'll do it because why not? Because we can. I mean, we'll be able to if we work really hard. Anyway, it all started when while studying reinforcement learning, I thought that yeah, you could practice and learn on Lunar Lander, cart pole, Mujoko tasks, racing car, but wouldn't it be cool if I had an AI playground that can showcase reinforcement learning in one environment and the progress I've made and the models I've trained all at once? Wouldn't it be cool? That's the idea behind my virtual AI lab, which will be the place where we work on fascinating problems that are waiting to be solved. Because who will solve them if not us? Now, getting to the project itself, building the lab took me some time. All the scripts are mine, all the agents are mine, the arrangement here in the dome is mine, but the 3D models that make up the lab are not mine, and they play a role of like a pleasant background for our main activities here. And besides, I'm sure we'll transform the lab beyond recognition, for it to suit our needs more and more. For now, I put the models here that I trained in the previous video. It wasn't so easy because I had to properly scale them while preserving the range of values that the model was trained on, which I managed to do for all environments here, except the crawler. The physics were so different after scaling that I just had to retrain it. And to be fair, the rest also lost some performance, so I should retrain all of them, which I'll do with future algorithms. But with that in place, I'm happy with how it looks so far. For the future, wouldn't it be cool if I added more and more stuff here, made the place more lively and usable? I'd have to make the doors work and make use of other parts of the lab, add more environments, some sound effects, but you know how much work it takes to make a full-scale playable game. People spend years on this, but I don't want to predominantly be a game developer. I want to be an AI researcher with a hobby in game development to showcase my work. I'm definitely on the right track after I read 2 technical reinforcement learning books, so I have all the theory I need to write more algorithms and do really impressive things here. I really feel like the tools don't constrain me anymore. I'm really good with Python and PyTorch. I got the theory, I got some practice, I know the concepts. All I need now is some time and effort to continue the work on better and better models, which you'll see soon, so stay tuned. That was a quick update video to let you know what I'm working on, because people ask me and then it's just like, yeah, I write code, I read books, there's not much to show. So now I can show off my AI lab on a different planet where I have the conditions to work on my cute AI pets. Unbothered, moisturized, happy, in my lane, focused, flourishing. Alright, thanks for watching.